Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete Microsoft Teams chat files. So at first, just go to your search and search for Microsoft Teams, and then from the best matches, just open up Microsoft Teams. And after you have done that, just go to chat. And after you go to chat, there's a hidden layer over here. Just select it and drag it to open it. From here, just find the group chat or the chat from which you want to delete the file. As you can see, I'm on this Friends Forever group. Now, I have sent a file mistakenly over here, and let's say I want to delete it. To delete it, what I have to do is click on the three dot icon on the top of the message, not on the message. This is the PDF one. So for the message, I'll select the top of the message and click on it, then just click on delete. And after that, as you can see, the file has been deleted. If I go to files, I don't see the file. But that's not it, because there's still the file saved in your Microsoft Teams files. How to delete it from there, I'll show you. Just click on undo from here, then just go to files. And after going to files, you'll find this file. Just click on the more options button. From here, click on open in browser. And after you have done that, it will load up a Microsoft OneDrive account. And after that, just close this. Then just go to my files. And from my files, you'll find an option called, or rather a folder called Microsoft Teams and chat files. Just open this. And this will contain all the chat files you have ever sent from Microsoft Teams. And you can delete it from here. So just click on the file, then click on the three dot icon and click on delete. And then just make sure to confirm it and click on delete. And there you go, the file has been deleted. And basically that is how to delete Microsoft Teams chat files. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.